Welcome all to the third webinar, that is Developing Reading Competencies by Dr. Deepak Damodare, brought to you by the English Language and Literature Explorers Group, Mumbai. Over to you, Avinash sir.
Thank you. Good afternoon, friends. Reading makes a complete man, and here with us is the complete man in true sense. He has achieved endless feats in different fields with promising achievements. Today's speaker is an illuminating personality to drive away the darkness of ignorance in the society with his witty and soulful selection of diction, flavored with sober approach. Let me welcome Dr. Deepak Damodare, sir. He has been serving in the community from last 27 years in Rupnath Arts and Commerce Junior College, Dahi Handa district, Akola. He has also a feather of teaching at Degree College for 5 years in his honor. Schooling in various parts of India groomed this dynamic personality that has some reflections of the places like Chennai and Darjeeling. He has accommodated as a student from the hottest to the coolest nature surroundings, which helped him to survive in any adverse conditions in this field. He is truly a master of English language and literature. He has also earned a master's degree in history. His depth in education field began by achieving the master's in education. He is honored with a master's as well as a doctorate in English. Education is his never-ending quest. He holds a bachelor's degree in journalism and mass communication. He has postgraduated himself in business management and Gandhian thoughts. He has obtained Bachelor's of Arts additional in Marathi literature. Can you imagine such a calm and composed personality as a student of criminology? Yes, he holds an LLM degree too. He is one of the rare humans whose education is reflected in their behavior. He is crossing the peaks of success in his career. He is one of the pioneers of bringing constructivism in classroom from class 9 in Maharashtra, when for the first time activity-based course books were prepared by the Maharashtra board. He worked as a board of studies member. When the rights of publishing shifted from the state board to Bal Bharati, this person was approached for his guidance, and he worked as an invitee member for the latest class 10 course books of English, lower level and higher level. He is a present language committee member for the production of the textbooks of standard 11 and 12 Yuvak Bharati English. His 25 research articles are published in the state level, national and international journals and magazines. He has published more than 100 articles in newspapers like The Hindu, The Hitvada, Infinite Thoughts and Shikshan Sankraman. He presented papers in 25 conferences and seminars. He has conducted many workshops for teachers. He has worked as a resource person for the state, division, and district level resource person for the new syllabus, in-service training programs, and activity sheets in production. He runs an English to English project in Akola. He has worked as a correspondent for the Hitvada for 5 years. He is a co-secretary of District English Teachers Association, Akola. He is an editor of the English section of Daut Lekhni magazine Delta Souvenir. He is the district in charge and ambassador of LTI and INET. He is spreading education by being an executive member of Akola Education Society, which runs 1 senior college along with 2 junior colleges and 9 schools. He appreciates Marathi drama and literature to the highest extent. His accomplishments tell us what kind of voracious reader he is. Let us learn how to read from such personality. He is a person who is brought up by letters and words, survives on language and literature, and continues shining by his aesthetic as well as partial preferences. Dr. Deepak Damodare, sir, welcome.